Okay, excellent. Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. We are here in Winter Garden. The owner of this house bought a new house and she remodeled, and she requests a deep cleaning, post-remodeling cleaning, plus windows inside out, removing the screens and clean the rails. He's almost finished. He removed all the screens that are in the house. He's cleaning the screens with our screen washer, and then he's gonna rinse and put it away, everything. Thank you for watching. Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com.